Hey screen actors, you're in the right place. This video will help you ace all your auditions, book more gigs, and become a working actor in demand. I'm Louis DeBianco, a successful working actor with 79 on-screen credits. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure to click subscribe. Then you won't miss a single video that can help you grow your talent, your skills, and your career. Also, give the video a thumbs up. YouTube loves that. Then they will show it to more people who will also be able to get value from this content. Today, I'm going to focus on one really important topic I don't hear discussed too often about on-camera acting: moments, and how moments relate to the lines that you speak. An on-screen performance is really an accumulation or a series of compelling moments edited together that burn in our memories, evoke strong feelings in us, and make us love the actor and the piece that we're watching. And when I speak about moments, I'm not talking necessarily about moments when things are being said. The truly compelling moments happen between the lines. Many actors make too much of the lines themselves. They don't even think about their moments. They're so focused on remembering all of their lines that they miss the opportunity for those rich, unexpected, authentic moments that happen when they're not speaking. To demonstrate what I mean, I'm going to use just two lines, two short sentences from an audition scene. The character is a mob boss. He has a lot of laundered money in Swiss bank accounts, and he has discovered just before this scene that one of his bank accounts is seriously threatened. The authorities are going to grab it, and he's going to lose millions of dollars. The two lines are simply these. How the hell did this happen? Our guy in Lugano, we've been taking care of him. He's happy, right? That's it. I'm going to do them a couple of different ways. Then we'll explore them and discover which ones might be stronger and why. So here we go. I'm going to do them to an off-camera reader. How the hell did this happen? Our guy in Lugano, we've been taking care of him. He's happy, right? How the hell did this happen? Our guy in Lugano, we've been taking care of him. He's happy, right? How the hell did this happen? Our guy in Lugano, we've been taking care of him. He's happy, right? That's it. What's the verdict? I'm sure that some of you are going to be thinking, hey, they all kind of seemed the same, especially the first two. Watch them again and watch them closely. This is what I was aiming for. In the first take, I was line perfect, but I wasn't really focused on the person I was speaking to. It may seem like I am, but I was more focused on getting my lines right. In the second one, I was line perfect again, but I put my focus on the other person to see how they were going to react to what I was saying. And then in the third take, I found another moment by pausing between the two sentences and allowing myself, when I began, to fully ask that question. How the hell did this happen? What I mean by fully asking a question, I mean that you focus on the other person And when you say it, you're looking at them for an answer. You expect an answer. You want to see what they're going to do or say. When your focus is outward like that, the performance suddenly becomes more compelling. The camera reads the thought process being, I'm asking you something. If you want to see a brilliant example of this, in Godfather Part 2, there's a marvelous scene in Cuba between Michael Corleone and his brother Fredo, Al Pacino, and the great late John Casals. Pacino has taken his brother out for a sit-down to have some quality brother time together. They're in a cafe, they're going to have a drink, and just talk. Pacino's intention in the scene is to discover if Fredo has betrayed the family, because he senses that he has. What's fascinating about the scene, I call it the banana daiquiri scene. You'll see why when you watch it. Fredo is chattering and chattering and chattering. It's nervous chatter. Pacino says less. Doesn't speak that often in the scene, but our eyes are on him, watching his eyes interrogate and search out his brother. His eyes are asking, do I see a lie? Do I see something in him, a signal that will betray him? This is powerful stuff. It's all happening inside, and the camera is reading it. Those are moments that count. Those are moments that lead to memorable, stellar performances, even award-winning ones. Play with this yourself. Experiment. Saying things on camera when you're doing self-taping or just doing it as an exercise. Saying things by just saying them accurately and then playing with them. Finding the moments that are between the lines. Play them back. See which ones register with the most power. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to give it a thumbs up, and to check out in the description of this video below. You will see a website, and that site takes you to an exploration of a course that I created just recently called Self-Taping Mastery. The course is completely online. It's everything from a basic self-tape to a more advanced one. Plus, I've added in some really killer bonuses. Just go there and explore it. See if it is something for you or not. And until the next video, feel it, say it, mean it, book it.